All right, everybody. This is the breakdown for our Poetry Slam bracket and the assignments for this week. So you have this rubric here, this rubric for evaluating slam poems. Open this up, read through it. You'll want to get yourself familiar with some of the vocabulary, such as vocals, performance, pacing, inflection, or adding emphasis through uh, through engagement and through how they perform the actual poem. So this is the rubric that you'll be using to judge these slam poems this week. So where you'll find the slam poems is in this tournament bracket. Each one of these is linked to a YouTube video, and you can find that once you click on it and go to the link. You'll find those here. I have all 8 of the videos in this YouTube playlist as well, so that might help you. But you'll go through each one as you're picking them in the bracket. Let's say you like Girl Code 101 over Pronounce This Correctly. You'll check this little box in Girl Code 101 and it pops up here automatically. Then you go to the West. You like this one better. Okay. You like Complainers better. Okay. You like Mommy Says You Have Been Crying better. Okay. Then after that, now do you like Girl Code 101 or Let's Get One Thing Halfway Straight? You like that one? Okay. Do you like Complainers? Okay. Now that's our championship. Now what you'll do is to pick a champion is pick one of these. That's our champion. Once you've done that, go to the final vote margin. Okay, we have about 105 speech students. What will the final vote margin be? This is the tiebreaker. So if you think this champion will win 70 votes and the complainers win about 35, you would make it 70 to 35. Okay? That's just the tiebreaker, and the student with the best record at the end of this will get a special package from me. So this is everything you need to do on Tuesday. Select these videos, select a champion, submit that bracket to me on Tuesday. Okay? Once you have edited in Google Sheets, it should pop up in Google Classroom automatically. Submit it. You're good to go. All right. Wednesday, what I would suggest is doing both of these Google Forms. Go to these Google Forms, just vote on which of the matchups you think should win and why. Okay? Pronounce this correctly. Girl Code 101. Why did you choose the poem you did? Same thing for here. Why did you choose the poem you did? The second Google form is the right side of the bracket. Select the winner. Why? Select the winner. Why? I'll use these Google Forms for all my classes to find the winners, and I will put up an updated Google form on Thursday here, Poetry Slam Final Four. You'll see right now it says you will not be able to complete this assignment until Thursday, but on Thursday, I will delete that and I will put the Google form link in there. You'll do the same thing. You'll complete those Google forms. I will update the Google form again for Friday's championship match, which will be here. Again, it says you will not be able to complete the assignment until Friday. On Friday, I will delete that and I'll add the updated Google form link. That's how you go through the assignments this week. Don't forget the quick write, where you will need to answer the question using at least one academic vocabulary word from the rubric. Examples: vocals, performance, tone, inflection, pacing. The question is, why did you pick your championship slam poem video? So that is your pick, not the class's pick. When you go through your bracket, whatever champion you have here, just explain why. Think of that as a quick write. Any questions? Send me a message on Remind or email me. Thanks. Have a good week, y'all.